Oh, guess what? We're getting so close to being done. So the fifth thing that we're going to focus on this week is your journal prompts, okay? This is really a place for you to be creative and let your views come out, okay? So you're going to press Start New Attempt. The important thing I need to warn you about is you can only submit this once, okay? It's not like you can save it and come back. So I highly recommend opening up a Word document. This is just one I was working on. So you're going to want to open up a Word document. And I strongly recommend that you actually save your journal prompts in a Word document. Or even if you want to write it by hand and then type it in later, that's perfectly fine. Because like I said, you can only submit this once, okay? So here's the first journal prompt. What have you been doing the last 3 weeks? So be honest with me. This is a very similar question to what we have on our discussion board this week. So remember, you're going to reuse words from our prompt. And you're going to type it. Okay, so journal prompt number 1 for the last 3 weeks, and then you're going to tell me what you're doing. The expectation is that you have about 5 sentences per prompt, okay? And then describe your last full day of school. So this is not where we talk about, oh, I came to school the very last day and there were only 25 students. We're talking about what does a typical day look like? Oh, you can talk about how you had to sit through one of Mrs. Dorman's boring lectures on grammar or reading a story. Or if you thought I was amazing, go ahead and talk about that. Honestly, you're not going to offend me. What do you miss about school? Okay. For question 3, this is where you are going to talk about your feelings of doing school online or at home. What do you like better? Do you enjoy coming to school and seeing your friends, or do you like being at home and doing school at your own pace? Okay. So notice it only has one submit button and you can only submit it once. So strongly recommend writing your answers first in a Word document, then copying and pasting them and putting them in here. Okay? If you have any questions about how to do the journal prompts, I'm here to help. Have a great day.